Okay, guys. So this is EA right here. As you can see, the EA is just right here. As you can see, everything is just right here. So if you get the EA, then you want to do a strategy tester. It's actually running right now. It's been running. Let me just enlarge this. You can see it's just been running. It's been scalping, compounding the account. The best part about this, if it makes a loss, it will cover up. So all these are profits. All these are profits of these. So it opens up a buy and a sell at the same time. A sell stop and a buy, as you can see how it's scalping right now. It's just been making profits. And despite it making a few losses, but it makes profits. It covers up all that. So the winning rate is more than the loss rate. So that's just a good thing. So what we're going to do, okay, everything seems to be set and everything seems to be okay. Let's just run a strategy tester right here. And we see. This is crash 500, right? Okay, so seems like we put couldn't really see. Don't even know why the PC is lagging right now. We couldn't really see. Wait, I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's colliding with this or something. Okay, let me just cancel this. And let's see. All right. Anyways, I think these are the final results, right? Let me see. I guess these are the final results. Yeah, probably these are the final results. This is the graph. Yeah, so this is the graph. So coming from the deposit of 50, it went all the way to 1,000. It went all the way to 1,000 like that. So this is crash 500 right here, as you can see. This is crash 500. So these are the end results of it running on crash 500. So these results are coming from January 1st, I believe. Yeah, okay, it has done the whole full run. Let me just see if I can go back to the. Let me just see if I can go back to the trade history where it all started from. I believe. Yeah, no, these are results for just this month, the start of this month, not really January, the start of this month, February. So these are results of just how many days? 8 days of trades. So from $50 balance, as you saw, from $50 balance, it went all the way to that. Okay, so these are the results. Then let's if I closed that. Right. So now let's try the same EA on crash 1000. And let's run it on crash 1000. Let's see. All right, so I'm sure you saw all this at some point. You saw all this at some point where it was actually scalping and doing all that it was doing. So let's just do this. Let's just fast forward it a little bit and we see the end results of all the trades it took. This is crash 1000. So these are just trades for the start of this month. 1st February to 8th February. So these are the end results. You see? So these are the end results. Anyways, you're going to see all these for yourself. And so yeah, you're going to see all these for yourself. Anyways, I believe I've shown almost enough of everything. If you want to get the copy, yeah, you get the link. You just click on book now to take you to this website. Then yeah, the file is just here. So just download, then you can test it. It's a plug and play. Just click, plug it, then yeah, to start doing the trades on its own. So yeah, anyways, I'm out right now.